Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Munch application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So within this application you can order foods from different places, but in a lowered price. So this way you will be helping not to waste food that has left for a restaurant at the end of the day, but you can pick it up in a lower price, and you can basically save it from the trash. So this application is very easy to use. So first you have to select the city that you're living in, and once you did that, the options will be here, and you can choose what type of food do you want to pick up. You can see the price, the rating, how far it is, and then if you just click on that, you will be able to see the description, and you can buy it. You can also check the locations on a map. You can also set different things in your profile. So overall it's a very useful and a very creative idea to save food. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.